Have you ever looked at a bird sitting completely still, not moving, not reacting, just staring into the distance like something inside it disappeared? In that moment, everything feels quieter. Even nature seems to slow down. And you start asking yourself a question. Do birds feel sadness like humans do? In wildlife and nature, birds are seen as symbols of freedom. They fly across skies, travel long distances, and live a life we can only observe. But what we rarely notice is their emotional behavior. Some birds form deep bonds. They stay with one partner for long periods. They build nests together. They survive together. But what happens when that bond is broken? Some birds become silent. They stop singing. They stop reacting the same way. They stay in one place for long periods. Is this sadness or just instinct? Scientists say birds have memory and behavior patterns. They can recognize faces. They can remember places. But does memory mean emotion? This is where the debate begins. Some say it is only survival behavior. Others believe it looks very similar to grief. The truth is, we still don't fully understand animal emotions, because when a bird sits alone in silence, it doesn't feel empty. It feels heavy. Maybe that's why this question spreads everywhere. Do birds feel sadness like humans, or are we just seeing ourselves in their silence? Because loneliness is not always loud. Sometimes it looks exactly like silence. And when a bird becomes silent, the world feels quieter too. And maybe that's why we keep watching them. Because somewhere inside their silence, we hear parts of ourselves.